Hey guys, I'm Aaron with Little Fish Swimming, and Little Fish Swimming started in a backyard pool in 2007. This summer will be our 15th year offering the best lessons experience to Fredericksburg and the surrounding areas. Our family grew up here in Fredericksburg, and you don't get to choose where you're born, but you get to choose where you stay and where you make home. For us, this is home. Fredericksburg is a city that we love to live in, we love to work in, we love the people here and the community. And we're excited to be able to offer our lessons experience this year at a new location closer to downtown Fredericksburg at the Dixon Park swimming pool. We hope that this location is convenient for our downtown residents and that we'll get to meet even more families. Swimming is something that we love doing every day and teaching every day. It's a life skill. So unlike other sports, basketball, soccer, things that you can be involved in, this one will save your life. And so that's such a blessing to be able to do that. Because of that, we're rolling out something new this year, and we're offering scholarships for the first time. For our Fredericksburg swimmers who attend the Dixon Park swimming pool, you can apply for a scholarship. We want our swim lessons to be available to as many families as possible, and we hope that this is a great way for us to be able to do that and give back to the city that we love. If you have any questions about the scholarship or the new location or anything at all, shoot us an email, contact us via littlefishswimming.com. And we can't wait to see you at the pool soon.